Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the fuse guys for the ignition coil. Stay with us, we'll explain where it is. If you guys have a Kia Optima that doesn't start, it cranks but doesn't start because it's not getting spark, most likely, okay, you may have a bad fuse guys. It could be multiple things that can cause Kia Optima to crank and not start, and we'll have a special video about that. But in today's video we'll explain where that fuse is located. Also we will explain why it's super important to test this fuse guys, even if you're replacing with a brand new fuse guys. So stay with us until the end and we're going to cover that today. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So right here guys, 2.4 GDI engine, as you can see, this is the fuse box right here. We have one top here, one there, squish and pull it up, and you can see right here on the back side you have the fuses printed. What we did, we actually we printed it and zoomed it a little bit so we can show with a great detail, okay, where all the fuses are located. So that layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here guys, and the fuse that we need to check for ignition coil, okay, it's that fuse right here. Now, this is super simple guys, okay, it's that fuse, but make sure to stay until the end. I'll tell you something else what you need to check. Okay, that 20 amp fuse. If you need to check that fuse, it's pretty simple. Grab it, okay, pull it out, you can see like that, and remove it. And you can see that fuse will just come out of there, okay, like that. Now, we recommend to always test these fuses, and you want to know why? Because simply guys, you may think it's a good fuse, you put it in, your Kia Optima still doesn't start, you have problems spending time, money to fix it, when all you had to do test the fuse. Sometimes even a new fuse could be defective, so always test them before you put them in your vehicle to know 100% that this is not the problem for your Kia Optima not to start guys. And we'll have a video that explains how to test it, and it will teach you how to test the fuse in just a few seconds. So we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out, and that will save you so much trouble. Now also guys, okay, check fuses if you don't have spark. That says we have a special video, but some of them are the engine computer fuses, such as ECU, sensor 2, sensor 3. These fuses, ECU 4, okay, ignition, these fuses need to be checked guys, the one that control the spark for your vehicle. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.